A for apple. A for ant. Apple. B for ball. B for boy. Ba boy. C for cat. C for cup. Cat. D for dog. D for drum. Do. Dog. E for eagle. E for elephant. Eagle. F for frog. F for fish. Fei, fish. G for goat. G for grass. Go, goat. H for hat. H for hand. Ha, hat. I for ink. I for insect. N, ink. J for jar. J for jug. Juju, jug. K for kite. K for king. Key, kite. L for lion. L for leaf. Lala, lion. M for monkey. M for mango. Mama, mango. N for nest. N for net. Nene, nest. O for orange. O for owl. Owl. P for parrot. P for pin. P, parrot. Q for quilt. Q for queen. Q, queen. R for rabbit. R for rose. Ra, rabbit. S for sun. S for star. Sa, sun. T for tree. T for tiger. Ta, tree. U for umbrella. U for unicorn. Umbrella. V for van. V for vase. Va, van. W for watermelon. W for watch. Watch. X for xylophone. X for x-ray. X-ray. Y for yo-yo. Y for yacht. Y, yacht. Z for zoo. Z for zebra. Zo, zebra. Bye bye, kids. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun.